Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on Google Pixel 8. Let's begin. First we want to make sure that our auto brightness is enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center, and we can try to search for auto brightness here. But as you can see, it cannot be found here. Of course, you could go to pencil icon and try to add it here. I'm not saying that you can do that, but instead let's simply go to the settings. Then let's go and find display and touch. And here we want to make sure that our adaptive brightness is enabled. So now we can enable our adaptive brightness, and as you can see, auto brightness is working without any issues whatsoever. That's really good. And if for some reason you're still encountering any kind of issues, I would simply advise you to turn off your device and turn it on again. You can do that by expanding your control center once again, clicking power icon and going with restart. Now I know that restart is kind of silly, but it does make sense, because when you restart your phone, you're not only restarting every kind of software, but also the hardware as well. So, for example, it's also restarting the sensors that are responsible for detecting brightness around you and adjusting your brightness depending on that brightness around you. Yeah. So, yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.